Is it time to make a change? Are you spending enough time with your family? Is your retirement plan on course? Are you financially prepared for your kids' college? Do you travel as much as you'd like to? Are you really living the life you deserve? If the answer is no, then it's time for a change. And 5 Links is the change you've been looking for. It's time to get control of your life again by building a business that helps you control your time and money. We are living in a time where business ownership and financial success are no longer dependent on where you live or how much experience you have. With 5 Links, it's possible to own a business without the headaches of employees or inventory. A business that lets you set your own hours and has no limit on your earning potential. The only requirement for success with 5 Links is the ability to recognize a wealth trend. The key to success in business is being in the right place at the right time. It's about identifying a wealth trend and capitalizing on it. In the 1980s, the PC industry exploded and the long-distance telephone industry was opened up for competition. In the 1990s, it was the internet and wireless phones. These shifts of wealth created tens of thousands of millionaires. Well, today, experts agree that the 3 most lucrative and emerging wealth trends are text-based marketing, energy deregulation, and internet-based phone service. The VoIP industry is exploding by cutting the cost of phone service up to 50% or more and removing the limits of traditional phone service. Per the FCC, there are currently more than 31 million VoIP subscribers in the US alone. And in Canada, only 12% of households subscribe to VoIP services. Industry experts predict the number of new customers will exceed 44 million by 2013. That's millions of new VoIP customers each year. 5 Links has even added an affordable way to see friends and family. Global Links customers can talk and see member to member for free anywhere in the world. Never again miss those important events in your family's lives. Text marketing, also known as mobile marketing, is one of the most exciting and lucrative business services available today. 5 Links has taken the lead in this industry with Text Alerts, our proprietary mobile marketing solution that brings the power of text to businesses of all sizes. Text Alerts is one of the fastest growing mobile communication service providers in North America, empowering you to earn significant monthly residual and upfront bonuses by helping businesses increase sales. Meanwhile, the deregulation of the energy industry represents a $500 billion opportunity by providing millions of customers a choice of how they receive their utility services. The 5 Links Energy Program capitalizes on this dramatic industry transformation by providing the power of choice to electricity and natural gas customers in select markets. This shift of wealth is happening with or without you. 5 Links has created an exciting opportunity where you can position yourself in front of this massive shift of wealth and capitalize on the incredible growth of VoIP and the deregulation of the energy industry. 5 Links, founded in 2001, launched its operations with a simple philosophy: representatives come first. This philosophy, combined with the core principles, formed the foundation of the company's unprecedented success.
5 Links was founded based upon 5 key principles: vision, integrity, opportunity, freedom, and success. And those core principles continue to drive everything we do each and every day.
Each year, Inc. magazine, a highly respected business publication, tracks the 500 fastest growing private companies in North America. 5 Links was featured in this prestigious list as one of the fastest growing companies for an unprecedented 4 consecutive years, experiencing a growth rate of over 800% during that time. In addition, 5 Links has been on the Inc. 5000 list for 6 years straight. The stability of the company was further documented in recent issues of Success from Home and Your Business at Home magazines. In October 2007, 5 Links, based in Rochester, New York, completed a state-of-the-art 50,000 square foot world headquarters. In May of 2010, 5 Links expanded internationally, allowing representatives in Canada to sell 5 Links products and services. Then in January 2011, 5 Links expanded operations with an office in Santa Barbara, California.
We've made this long-term investment to keep pace with the growing demands of our customers and to maintain our technological edge in the marketplace.
With the construction of this new facility and an experienced management team in the telecommunications and direct marketing industries, 5 Links is perfectly positioned to grow into a billion-dollar company. 5 Links provides an excellent opportunity for financial independence. You can start part-time and build a successful business by following the turnkey 5 Links success system. Today's technology makes building a business easy. All you need is a computer, a cell phone, a valuable product to offer, and a simple system to follow. 5 Links provides you with everything you need to get started, from marketing materials and personal websites to training events and a simple-to-follow system.
With the 5 Links training and support system, the average person can get results just by being dedicated and committed to success.
With your 5 Links business, you can earn the financial freedom that will give you the time to do what you want, when you want. It's time for you to change your life for the better and take control of your future.
If you want to have more time and money back in your life and live the lifestyle that you deserve, then your search is over. You found the perfect opportunity with 5 Links.
Don't let the 5 Links opportunity pass you by. Get the information you need and position yourself to capitalize on this tremendous shift of wealth today. 5 Links, the perfect business.